It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Graphics and Media. My name is Rafi Yabu, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create mind-blowing images like this using Bing AI with just your phone. A step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already on this channel and you love Microsoft Bing AI content like this with free prompts, consider to subscribe for more tutorials about how to use Microsoft Bing AI tool. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create a mind-blowing images on Bing with just your phone. Step-by-step tutorial. Okay, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have Bing installed on your phone right here, so you can see Bing. You can install it on Android phone and iOS. After you have successfully installed, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I open up the app. So having opened up the app, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you create a free account. So for you to create a free account, just click on this icon right here and follow instruction. Just enter your detail. You are going to be successfully create an account. After you have successfully create an account with Bing, the next thing you want to do is to see how to create mind-blowing images using your phone on Bing AI tool. So for you to do that, you just need to click on Image Creator right here. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to write in your prompt right here. Okay, so I have my prompt already. I will just click and hold down. I will paste my prompt. You can also check the description of this video for this particular tutorial prompt. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on create. Beautiful. So these are the 4 variety images that was generated. So we can just simply click on any one of the image. Then we can click and hold down. We make sure we click on download image. Then we can swipe to see the rest of the results. Then we can click and hold down, download. So let's check on the third image. We click and hold down, download. The last image, we click and hold down and download. Okay, so we can simply click on here to close this particular result. Then we can modify our prompt right here. We can change this from elderly woman to man. Okay, then we can leave the rest just as it is. Then click on create again. So we have just 3 results. So we can click on this one right here to open the image. Then we can click and hold down, download. So we can swipe, we click and hold down, download. You can swipe the download the last one, we click and hold down and download. It's as simple as that. So this is how to create a mind-blowing images on Bing. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big. For this particular tutorial prompt, consider to check the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.